Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the andobil dashboard car mount. It is a car phone holder system. Easy, really easy and stable. We will never slip and drop again. The smartphone, oh yeah, at our car, in our car, on our dashboard. That's really cool because it comes with a silicone cell phone holder system for cars, various dashboards, pad. It's a mat for a phone mount and it's compatible with nearly all phones out there. For example, for iPhone, for Samsung phones, Android smartphones, as well GPS devices which are in the shape of a smartphone. That means one-handed operation. Most effortless car phone holder. This dashboard phone holder is extremely simple to install and to use. No tedious adjustment or complicated installation steps are required. And we only need to gentle put it on to hold our phone safely and stable. Never slip Silicone Gel ultra stable car phone mount with its washable and reusable PU soft rubber on the bottom. This phone mount for a car provides the most slip resistant force and friction. If you like to change the car, so you have to remove the CJ2 andobil phone holding system from it. You can do this, and after it, you should use water to reactivate the gel underneath the car mount. Then let it dry, and you can reattach it on a new dashboard. That's really cool. You can also attach this on your desktop, no problem, or other flat surfaces, no problem. But the main feature is, of course, you will install it on the dashboard on your car. It stays in place, even in bumps, sharp turns, and hard stops. We should never worry about moving or dropping while using GPS navigation. And deeper and wider phone slot. It fits nearly all big phones. Ultra wide and deep cell phone slot. The most L3 point support makes the andobil phone stand for car fit all cell phones from 4 up to 7 inches. And of course, thick phone cases, including otter case and battery cases. It's compatible with all large and, of course, heavy phones. And this andobil holder is an expert because CE and RoHS certified. This mount is made of high temperature and super strong TPU silicone materials. After 3,000 times of stability tests, andobil provide us with the most stable and professional car mount. We free our hands and be responsible for safer driving. And andobil is professional in designing and always making the best car phone holder for all the car drivers like us. If we meet any understandable installation steps, you can see that video here because it's so easy to attach. The parameters are really good. It is the CJ2 dashboard car mount, and you can apply it to your desktop, to your dashboard, or other flat surfaces. We remove the protective film on the backside, and then we install to a proper position. Then we can use it horizontal or vertical for our smartphone. And of course, in the back, a charging cable storage function is included. They can attach your cable easily. We avoid dropping. We do not disassemble it. We install the car mount on a suitable place before driving. We do not operate adjust the car mount during driving, okay? We do not install the car mount in places where it might interfere with airbag or driving skills. We keep the car mount away from children. If the base is not sticky enough, we take down it and wash it with warm water. It will be sticky again after drying. And then we can reattach or attach it on another car. This is the really awesome andobil dashboard car phone holder. Easy yet stable, never slip and drop. It's a silicone cell phone holder for a car and various dashboards out there. It's a pad mat phone mount and is compatible with iPhone, Samsung phone, Android smartphones, GPS, etc. etc. You can see it's nearly all for our smartphones out there compatible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.